Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, nice to meet you. How are you today? First of all, my name is Rahadian Bagaskoro, and today I would like to discuss about my report practical work at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia. But before we begin, I would like to express my gratitude for giving me the opportunity to present at this time. Okay, next. Inside it, there are several topics that we will discuss, including first is student identity, and next is background in doing practical work, the purpose of doing practical work, company identity, vision and mission of the company, description of practical work, strength of practical work, weakness of practical work, benefits that can be obtained personally at the practical work location, and last is documentation of activities. Okay, next. First is student identity. My name is Akhardian Bagaskoro. My major is software engineering 1 and my address is in Kosambi. Okay, next. The next is background in doing practical work. Practical work is the best means for high school students and college students to get to know the world of work and to increase insight and practice the skills needed to work. In addition to abilities in the field of work, students will also get other abilities and can train mentally to be able to compete in the world of work. So that practical work can help students prepare themselves to face the world of work. Okay, next. The next is the purpose of doing practical work. The purpose of an internship or practical work is to introduce students to the working world so that they can prepare themselves mentally and acquire the skills needed for employment upon the graduation. Next. Next is company identity of Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia, Plan 1. The Karawang plant was built on May 29, 1996 with an investment value of 46.2 billion rupiah. Also, it started operating in 1998. The Karawang plant was officially inaugurated in 2000. Currently, the Karawang plant has a production capacity of 100,000 units of cars per year. Okay, next. The next is vision and mission of the company. The vision is to become the most competitive manufacturing company in Asia, to become a global manufacturing company that maintains and continues expand the company's business, and to become a leading company in the development of environmentally friendly automotive technology in Indonesia. And the mission is to contribute more to the nation and Toyota Global Truck and the sustainable production of locally made models that meet customer and government expectation, and then export and develop human resource. Okay, next. The next is description of practical work. What I do in my practical work is first operational stationery, second is idea input, third is good issue inputs, and event preparation, and last is distribution of software and resources. For the operational stationery that we do is worker or good issue services and inventory the item, 5R, or in Indonesia is ringkas, rapi, resik, rawat, rajin, and and in the operational stationery we do about some software developing for the management of stationery, management item. Okay, next. The next is strength of practical work. First is the strength of practical work in my place of work or in the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia is first the mentor is kind and we got freelance and chocolate milk and gained many skills and experience, discipline others to the principle of safety first. Okay, next. The next is weakness of practical work. The weakness is some worker have a bad behavior. Because when I distribution some souvenir or some shoes or another item, some worker have a bad word, bad attitude, that the work is maybe hurt me, and their attitude is hurt me too. It's heavy to distributing the souvenir or another item because not all worker have a good attitude and good work. And second is not paying student for practical work. We're not got no paying from for our or my practical work, but we get the freelance and free chocolate milk. Next. The next is benefits of the practical work. Benefits that I got is first, I have new soft skill about about warehouse management. Second is my time management skill is improved. My leading skill is improved. My Microsoft Excel skill is improved. I have a new skill as a warehouse writer, and I have achieved an accomplishment as a developer of a warehouse data management application using Microsoft Access. And last is I got a new free shoes. And last is the documentation of activities. First is operational stationery. There is inventory item that the new item come from vendor, new item that we inventory and replace it to the place that's empty. And next is goods issue service. Good issue service is like the workers need some item in the stationery and we give the item to the workers, but with not like the name of not is good issue, but it's not just good issue because uh that notes or the good issue must be designed at the line head or section head. Okay, next is input data idea. That this data idea is from workers idea that can improve some place of work like line or can improve the company that can make more benefits for the company, especially safety of the worker. The reward and from this idea we got reward. The reward is start from 35,000 rupiah and until, if I'm not wrong, is 1 billion rupiah maybe. And the last one is input data good issue. The good issue that give from the workers, we input the data for manage the item of the stationery because there is a lot of items, there is many of items in the stationery that uh we need some software for develop it. And here the application that we use is developed by me and created by my mentor but developed by me. Like the coloring, the feature is created by me. My mentor is just create the basic. Okay. Next is documentation of activities about distribution and event preparation. First is distribution souvenir. Distribution of the souvenir. First is got a backpack and got hat, stickers, and T-shirt of the Toyota. Uh, of the Toyota, and the event is started because there is a new car from the Toyota that released. There is a Toyota Kijang Zenix hybrid car. And next is distribution dress. Distribution dress is per year. a workers got a new dress shoes, and we help to distribution the dress shoes, and we got a new skills like a mapping, like uh inventory again, and scheduling. Okay, last is distribution of the calendar. Per year, a workers got a new calendar, like a work calendar or calendar from the next year. Okay, last is any suggestion or comments. If you any suggestion or comments, you can guys comments below, and I will answer your all comments or your suggestion and say thank you to you all. There is my presentation for today. I want to say thank you to you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.